In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Solo Leveling Arise in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly download and play Solo Leveling Arise in any mobile device. So all that you have to do is either visit the website or open the respective store on your platform. So if you are using an Android device, you will download it through the Google Play Store like I'm going to be demonstrating here, or if you are on iOS, you will be downloading it through the App Store instead. If you visit the website, you can tap on the icon here and it is going to redirect you to the respective store where you can acquire the game. So it is available for both iOS and Android. So download the game from here. You will be downloading the launcher, and when you play Solo Leveling Arise, you will be able to update it. So when you open it up for the first time, this is what you are going to see. And you will be able to play on various different platforms. So the game is also available for PC through Steam and Epic. So you can sign in using one of these accounts. I'm just going to go in as a guest to make this process simpler to demonstrate. And you will have to download the remaining game files, so it is going to take a while. So even though the download on the App Store or the Play Store is quick, you will actually have to download all of the contents of the game when you get inside. So just wait for this process to finish and you will be able to play. For this video, I'm not going to go too in depth about the gameplay, how it looks, and so on. I just wanted to showcase how you can acquire the game. So I recommend visiting the official website. In there you will be able to register, sign up using your email address or any other verification method, and then you will be redirected into the respective store where you can download Solo Leveling Arise. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Solo Leveling Arise in mobile. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.